Hi guys, welcome to a new YouTube video here. We will discuss the analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty using the powerful indicators like CPR and pivot points. Okay. We will discuss the yesterday analysis, where will be the perfect entry and where is the stop loss and where is the perfect take profit. Here I have discussed a very important strategy. Kindly watch the video full. Okay. Yesterday it was a completely sideways day. See the first bar, it's like a bullish spin bar, right? Whenever it forms a such big bar, don't enter the trade. Okay. Retailer will jump to the trade, and day before yesterday, see the trend of the market. It was uptrend, right? Retailer think like today also market will move in uptrend only. But yesterday it was a trap for the retailers. Okay. Most of the time day low will break, and then who went long in first close, candle close, they are in huge loss. So don't enter here. For suppose if you have entered here also, where will you keep your stop loss? We can't keep stop loss under the bar because it will become a big stop loss. Okay, and we can keep our stop loss below the central pivot point. It's the safest stop loss because it's a powerful support and resistance. Suppose if you entered here, where is the target? In morning sessions, pivots are very important. They can act as a support and resistance. So my target should be at the previous day high. Why? Because previous day high is a supply zone. In supply zone, market may reverse. Okay. Till the previous day high, we are getting only small profit comparing to the risk. My risk is entire bar and reward is very small. Don't take such kind of trades. Whenever risk is small, reward is big, then only enter the trade. If you entered here, see what happened. Immediately market gave the back-to-back red candles here because it was a trap for the retailers. Okay, that's why we are not entered here. Even though we have a strategy, if any candle originating from the CPR and closes above it, we can take a long entry. But target should be previous session high only. Okay. Suppose previous day is far away, then you can take. But don't take in this scenario. It's a huge candle. For suppose first candle made like this pin bar, or else first candle is completely green bar, originating from the CPR like this. Then this is the best place to entry. This will be the entry. Stop loss below the central pivot point. Take profit can be the previous session high. See the risk and reward. Calculate the risk and reward here. Reward should be the greater than the risk. So this is what important thing to remember. Don't jump immediately into the trade after seeing the big bars. Don't do that. Okay. This is the retailer's mindset. Sometimes they can make a profit of 50 points, 40 points, 20 points. But when they lose, they will lose 50 points, 100 points, 200 points. Okay. That's what they will blame the stock market and they will leave. Don't try to gamble. No need to gamble to small risk. Okay. If risk and reward is good, then only enter, or else don't enter. And next opportunity is I'm waiting for the day low retracement or else day low breakout. As I told, this was a huge trapped candle, right? If day low was broken, all the people who went long, their stop loss can hit here. Then market can move further downfall. But buyers protected there. Okay. They again took the market up. Actually, there is another entry. If candles come to the day low and forms a green bar, this is the place to enter the long. Stop loss below the day low, take profit again at the day high. But no candle made a green bar near the first candle wick. Even though here there was a green bar near the central pivot, again we can't keep stop loss and we can't make a target at day high. Again target will be small, stop loss will be big. It's almost 1:1 target ratio. Okay, so don't take trade if you are a risk reward taker. Risk reward is 1:2, then only enter. Day trading in the sense not necessary to take every trade. Always take perfect trade, 1 or 2. If high probability trade, then only choose for the trade. Okay. Third opportunity is in the breakout of the day high, but there is no opportunity to go long because see this day high. See this day high here. Day high is broken here. You can't take any long entry because immediately there was a previous day high. This can act as a resistance here. So my opportunity is here. You can take long entry here, but it's kind of reversal pin bar. So you can enter at this candle at the retracement. After the breakout, if there is any retracement near the breakout line, then it's a high probable trade that market will move in up direction. Okay, so this is the place to go long. You can keep your stop loss below the entry candle, take profit at 2 hour, but market was closed here. If you want, you can hold also, but most of the time it will not work. See, people who went long from here, who taken market from here, they still did not book any profit. If they have booked their profit, means market can reverse, right? So they are waiting still. They are waiting to see market for further move. So if you want, you can hold this kind of trade also. Positional trading is somewhat risky. It is kind of gambling only. Taking positional trade is like a gambling, because if you win, you will win like 200-300 points gap up. Okay. In the same way, if market opens gap down, Indian market is depends upon the foreign market. So if those are negative, market can open gap down. We can make a huge loss here. That's it, guys. We will meet in next analysis video. You can join our free Telegram channel where we are providing live market tips and important zones. Please subscribe our channel. Till that time, bye bye.